to my channel, or welcome back to my channel. I highly doubt you're back, but I'm just happy you're here. To anyone who's watching. We're going to be playing last year. It was a indie game that originated from Discord. Then they moved it off Discord to Steam. The company gave up on the game, gave it to a new company. Now they're actually updating it. They stopped. Big update coming soon. That means YouTubers. So I am going to hop on before everyone else, and so I'm going to be like the only person making content to win-win. Win for the people watching. Win. No, no, because low quality. It's basically win-win. So, Emo Sam and us, we will hop in. See you there.
So first, we find some fuel. After that, we open up the gate and we're home free. We wheel the lift across the gym and climb to the rafters. Then we escape.
So, I'm gonna go scout. Cause scout is my line. So I'm gonna go scout. Cause scout is my man. Okay, whatever. Let's go. I'm just gonna loot all the stuff I can't get up here.
Never know when it'll come in handy.
Which one?
Maybe I can make something
I'm
of
gonna
this.
leave. If I can't get through this, let's try.
Hi! It's Sam here.
Rats everywhere. Place sucks. This might help.
There's the 1 second input delay. Oh my god. Great. This is already going great, guys. Oh my god. I just want to play the game. Bro, they need to fix that. Killers shouldn't have all their pinkies spread amongst all the other people. Other than Panda, everyone else is pretty fine. I'd say
So mad at you! Fuel's over here!
He's looking so angry at blinded. One flip. Not enough. The fuck? He's on fire.
Yep. Go.
Oh my god, you can't pick up that.
Yep. What the?
Thank you. We'll try that again. We'll try that again. We'll try that. That'll never happen. Again.
So
We're gonna try
first,
again.
we find some fuel. After that, we open up the
This
gate
the
and we're
ping
home free.
I like.
We wheel the lift across
is
the
what I
gym
like.
and climb to the rafters.
56.
Then we escape.
Pretty bloody good. I ain't gonna lie. I ain't gonna lie. Damn. Ah shit. That's good. Dummy don't get any scrap.
I never thought I'd be so happy to see a
Definitely sound like me. Oh, Amber's a dick, but Jesus Christ, Amber. I couldn't believe my
Hey, mister! You suck! Trap! I think. I mean, definitely.
Please after me.
You look really stupid!
Son of
Let's see you. Oh,
Come on!
by spiders.
For real.
That's nice. Maybe Mama Spider will come.
There's the fuel! Somebody get it!
I'm working on it!
Hey, you other Amber. Amber. There's two Ambers.
Thanks.
Troy's
I really owe you.
one Sam.
You're a real
'Cause there's
friend.
only one unique Sam.
Don't let
That's
him.
me. Cause tonight will be the night I
think I can
will
use
fall for you. And if
You're
you-
pretty bad.
Hey, it's a rat. And a sheep. I see a trap. It's right
Damn
there. You? Get the fuck away from me!
I'm dead. I'm dead.
Oh, no!
Let's do it.
Okay, just get the gas.
Putting something
Keep
together.
Just keep
Right
crafting needles. It's never kids. If you're watching, always remember.
Let's get the fuel
Always
and
do inject yourself with needles
I'll
you've
take
either
this just
found
in
the
case.
basement of a random school, or you got
These should be
made
good for
using
something.
10 little things of scrap. And that is the only time you should ever
Don't
put
step
needles
on that
near
trap.
your veins.
It's your friend Sam! I'll save
Great
you!
Needle kill. Needle kill. Bring us back to the no hockey
I'll
stick,
take these.
sadly.
Ah! What the heck? Hey, mister! Was thinking, should we get the fuel? There's a super scary trap over there. I'm here! Friends, don't leave friends behind.
You guys left me.
Hey, it's me, Sam.
Where's
Oh, we should run.
Oh, look at
Never know when it'll come in handy.
Don't you give me away.
Oh, that's
Sorry.
Hey, this freak! Just try and open your eyes.
I see medic. Do we have medic?
Something.
we have medic?
Honestly, even
Oh, he's
I'm
dead.
impressed with this. You can't get me in here, you loser!
I don't know how that worked. And I got cicadas. Yeah. I got cicadas. Okay, he's gonna kill himself.
Sorry about your eyes, asshole.
Man, this would be today. Really awful. I saw this. I'm not gonna pick fueling by myself. Not for these people. Come on, come on, come on. You see right here? Oh my god.
He's blocked!
That was too close. But it
I
worked.
think I see a trap!
Damn it!
Quit messing with me!
Damn it.
I'm getting the fuck out.
Oh, this game's amazing.
Hey, I got you. Oh shit, this is gonna be good.
Here, please don't be basements. Bro, I'm not gonna get saved. Flash it up. Oh, wait. No.
Opening the door!
Clap it up for Pro Killer 244 for saving me.
Thank you
Respect
so much!
Our little friend. Oh, come on. Thought our friend was dead.
I'll take this just in case.
Ow!
Just grab it!
How would you feel if I stabbed you in the head 5 times? I think that was. You wouldn't feel so good. You would have a
I think I see a
mild
trap.
headache at most.
This is just what I need. I have an idea, I think. Maybe something.
Yoink.
I see him!
I don't see fit. You're crazy, man. I see him.
Watch you!
Okay, Brian, take it out. So, I didn't use a smoke bomb. I really should have just flashed. But, our good friend Amber will suffice. Surely. I would do a song if I'm gonna be honest. Let's go hunt down. Where are the thou hockey sticks out? I know a few spawns. Oh my. Here we go. One's up here, I'm pretty sure. Pretty sure it's in one of these corners, if I'm not wrong. Come on. Give me the hockey stick game. Here? Nope. Yeah? Nope. Here? Nope. I think it was in this corner. One more lap around. Yeah, it's not here. There's one. Wait, no. There's one in basement, but I didn't see it when I checked earlier. But I'll double check. No, I got cricket that early game. I remember one that spawns over here. Right here, and there's one I'm pretty sure that spawns in the hallway, if I'm not wrong. We'll go check that out. I don't see it.
Opening the door!
There we go. Oh, it's in here. It's in that room. Check.
Thanks. I really owe you. You're a real friend.
Should be right here if it is. No, it's in out an early game. Would've been nice to have it now. Okay, good. See where Pain was. It says you're scout, so we don't hope it's something non-useful. He was. Oh, he's making it like. Oh yeah, we don't need that. No, thank you. We have 70% done. We have 5 minutes left. I think we can get some rescues.
It's poison! This is so unsafe! What?
You're just gonna throw me into this crap. It's not gonna work.
Ow!
Always work. Flash everywhere. Press the pills. Press the pills. Come on, fuck up, hurry. I think that's too stressful. Oh, no, I'm not going back in that. I'll finish this. How about
There's a
that?
super scary trap over there!
Risky business. Never mind.
Don't be scared! I'm here! If you think...
Oh. I was the woman, so I was the victim.
Sam, you could do this.
No, I'm cutting that joke out. That was
You
bad.
know,
He tried to throw a K9. 99. I gotta mention, because I do not trust a lot of people. Alright, guys. Subscribe. Cutting up. It's all the beautiful Felix Lab. I don't like the fact that adrenaline is very obvious. Get the rest of the scrap. I'll probably have to smoke a bomb. Actually, yeah, I should craft one and then have enough to make another one. I'm assuming it's
don't
fine.
step on that trap!
I don't even have to, so I'm definitely not ready. We're not
I
leaving.
think this might
Yeah,
really work.
shouldn't be.
Be careful!
Perfect.
There's a trap!
Nope. Absolutely, since I know where it's gonna
Hey!
come.
I'm at the door!
Here, so.
One sec!
Fuck. The thing is, I don't want to kill the giant. That's the thing. I don't want to use one as smoke.
This is just what I need.
Nah, I'll cook the rest. If I'm by myself, I gotta go.
Now I can probably make something good. Ow!
Oh, damn it! Okay, we gotta go. Get out this basement now. Get as many people as we can save, and I'm leaving. Bro, this one's going good for a bit. I'm just gonna hide up here. Good. I'm leaving. We have to go. I'm going to the exit. Leave me alone. Thank you. It's about to say. Oh my
You
god.
are so mean!
Come on, me too.
I wonder if I
Calm.
can make something.
I swear about I don't want this bitch for one singular person. I'm going to scream.
That's the way! Let's go!
We are back at the mine
shaft and we are going to need them to be gone. Rhonda, how do you feel about this? Who the fuck was talking to you? No one. What the fuck? Damn. That's the damn sexual style. I mean.
We should be fixing something.
Easy to be around scrap.
This is just what I need.
Oh, it's really scary.
You don't let me go!
Fucking damn.
What did I do?
Facing down.
He was
Kamikaze.
Swear to God!
Oh shit, no. I have to make more pipe bombs. But we're gonna say kamikaze. Is it my internet or my quality dropping in frame rate? Jesus.
Are you scared of me? You should be! Now I can probably make something good. Nice! Great fun, Sam! Opening the door!
Thank you. Seriously.
Yeah, got you. Don't let him hear us.
Fueling up. Yeah.
I'll go get the sledgehammer in a bit. I want him to have this stuff. It definitely makes something.
That thing is still.
This is how it's done.
Kamikaze.
This is sort of like making a ship.
Jesus.
Only cooler.
This is going great. I'm great at medic. I know. No need to say anything. It's going on. I don't even know what you're gonna say. I'm the best at medic ever. And whatsoever. Our unique playstyle brings us to victory.
Look out for that trap!
Hey, not
Maximize
scrap.
damage, I mean.
Just hold on!
I mean,
Relax!
do you think they
I'm here!
intended it to be used as a suicide weapon tactic?
Oh, thank you, thank you.
Or to
Thank
be
you
used
so
as
much.
a weapon? Yeah. Or we can use more tactic to like just kill a couple people. Try to get like it's not great. No bad things whatsoever.
Look out! I'll open this
What
up.
happens to me isn't important. It's what happens to the killer and my team. For my team, I want to kill the killer. But I don't care about that. Just all I know is that that it works flawlessly. I third person, like, on the train. It has a hitbox, I'm trying to see. Let's go see how far away we can get from this place. Curious.
Go to accomplice! I'm working on getting you out!
Right, we're gonna.
Appreciate it.
Come on out, let's move.
Don't like frame drops so often.
Wonder
Not-
if I can make something. Now I can
Have
probably
to
make something
make a
good.
bomb. I need like a helmet. It's my time. Oh. Oh shit. Run, run.
These should be good for something.
Damn. We didn't get going, dude. That thing's on our ass.
This could help.
Let's
Maybe.
go. Don't leave me. Please. Don't leave me here. Don't leave me here. Michael. Don't leave me. Michael. This is going badly.
Hey, see the gear? Oh, we should grab it.
Another.
Look out for Sammy.
Alright, heal you. I did almost kill you, admittedly.
You know, I actually did super well in shop class, as you can probably tell.
It's been 8 minutes and we're here already. Great. No slowdowns by teammates whatsoever.
Don't step on the
Don't
trap!
look at me. Doing flawless. Nah, we don't need it. Oh dear. Go. He don't know it was my fault. It could be anyone that made an explosive. Yeah, it could have been Troy. See, Troy's down there. He could have made a bomb. It was not me. Why would you ever think it was me?
Get! Get!
There's just no such thing. No such thing. Fuck.
You did it, Sam.
Oh shit, he's getting revenge. Shit, man. Doesn't have it.
For you! Cleaners! Fuck this! He's heating up!
Oh no!
Bomb? Oh, no bomb. So close to making that bomb though. Hey! I really gotta cut back. Gotta stop with that shit.
I can handle the gear! You get the fuck!
Me before too. Sorry. That's in your hand. Sorry.
Shit! That was way too close.
Ooh, now make something big.
get caught in the trap!
No, I don't need those. Oh, he made those. I'll just heal you. That's kind of smart. I don't trust this. It's gonna stay
Now
up
I can
here.
probably make something good.
Collect all the scrap I need. And prepare. See, I know there's gonna be a giant next. I'm ready. Wait, did he have... No, we only... No, yeah, we only saw Strangler and... I think it was Posture? We haven't seen Spider or anything, so...
Oh, yikes! Right in the eyes!
I think that was a giant. Head down and check it out.
I've got the gear. Let's move this thing up the tower.
How
Just what I
professional.
needed.
I won't use my thing. I won't use the taser down here today. Everyone's stealing.
Just like Dad says, always do your best.
I just hear charging. I hear a pool coming at me and I don't
I'll
know where.
take this just in
That
case.
hell. Her, see. Who's up there? No, I'm not. Anyone get thrown off this balcony? Not today, I mean. Come on. It's just a bad way to go.
Shoot it down!
Okay.
Not bad.
I think I go.
These should be good for something.
Ah,
Wait,
that's good.
let me put this
I got
together.
Time, I got time. I got time.
I actually made
I think
this!
this is the only escape we get today. If it's not like Spider, which I don't think he has, so we should be. Let's see from here. Yeah, it's just straight. Got you.
Let's go, let's go!
Whoa! We lost one. We lost one. You know what? I count it as a win. I count it as a win. Well, that was a few fun games. Sam, look, don't cry. Don't. Thank you. Fuck your makeup, Sharon. Anyways, that was pretty good games. First one I rage quit, understandably. Second one, I don't remember. Oh yeah, I died because a strangler threw me into a vent. What else happened? Yeah, strangler throwing me into a. Sam, damn it, stop crying. Thank you. Anyways, third game, Killer went AFK, destroyed us, don't know if I'll include that. And one guy died this game, and that wasn't totally my fault. So I think I did great. I only killed 5 people, if you include me. Damn it, Sam, whatever. She's crying because she doesn't know if you hit the subscribe button. Don't make Sam cry. But, for real though, it's optional. If you want, hit the subscribe button if you enjoyed the video, or like it, or you could have literally just watched. All I know is that You contributed to my channel, and I don't care. You don't even have to do any of it. You could just watch. You could have clicked off at the very beginning, never even seen this. Or you could have clicked to the end, see what I say for some reason. All I care is that thank you for watching this, and thank you for watching my first video of 2024, and I hope this video does well. Good night, good morning, whatever. Have a good rest of your day.